Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to create the timeline. The basic idea of this timeline is it actually gives the global overview of the project progress so that everybody who is involved in the team will get to know where their task and their project stands at. Let's create the timeline first. First, in order to create the timeline, we have the 5 phases in the project. So we can add these 5 phases to the timeline. But in order to do that, just go to the phase 1 and right click and add, click on the add to timeline. You see, we have that one here. It appears here. In the same way, we can also do it, add to the timeline. Second one. Sometimes if you want to, sometimes if some phases are overlapped, so we can also display them. For instance, I just going to modify this one. So let's say my phase 3 start from the 2nd of August. You see, if my phase 2 ends at 4, but my phase 3 starts at 2nd. So this means like I just want to show you how it looked like in the timeline. Again, when you add the timeline, see it's overlapped. The same way we can do also the timeline, add the timeline for phase 4 and phase 5. Yeah, the phase 5 just one day, that's why it's showing low. Anyway, if you want, you see like where our project phases stands at. Let's do some color for this to have a good view of that. Give the this is the how we can create a timeline from the tasks that we created. Thank you for watching this video.